Good morning. How was your day yesterday?
Good morning. It was fine. I woke up early, did some exercise, and then went to work. What about you?
Almost the same. I usually wake up around 7, have breakfast, and then go to the office.
Do you cook your own breakfast?
Sometimes, but usually my mom prepares it, and you.
I usually make tea and toast for myself. On weekends, I cook something special.
That sounds nice. After work, what do you usually do?
I come home, take some rest, and then read a book or watch TV. How about you?
I go for a walk in the evening, then have dinner with my family.
That's healthy. Do you sleep early?
Yes, around 10:30 p.m. And you?
I sleep a little late, maybe around 11:30 p.m.
No wonder you always look fresh in the morning.
Thank you. So tomorrow we can share our routines again.
Sure, that will be fun.
By the way, do you usually have lunch at the office or at home?
I usually eat at the office canteen. The food is okay, but sometimes I miss homemade meals.
I can understand. I always prefer homemade food. It feels healthier.
True. Do you pack your lunch every day?
Yes, most of the time. I try to prepare something simple in the morning.
That's really disciplined. I should start doing the same.
You should. It saves money too.
Absolutely. And what about weekends? How is your routine then?
On weekends, I wake up a little late, clean the house, and sometimes go shopping. What about you?
I like to spend time with friends or play cricket in the park.
Oh, that's interesting. I never tried playing cricket.
Really? It's a lot of fun. Maybe I can teach you someday.
That would be nice.
So, do you usually read books in the evening or only when you have free time?
Mostly in the evening. Reading helps me relax before bed. What about you? Do you read?
I read sometimes, but I prefer watching documentaries or news.
That's good too. At least you stay updated with current events.
Yes, but sometimes it gets boring. Reading sounds more peaceful.
It is. You should try it. Even 15 minutes a day makes a difference.
Okay, maybe I'll start. Can you recommend me a good book?
Sure. You can start with something simple, maybe a short novel.
That sounds nice. And after reading, do you go straight to sleep?
Yes, I switch off my phone, read a little, and then sleep.
That's a good routine. I should also try keeping my phone away at night.
Yes, you'll sleep better.
By the way, do you exercise every day or only sometimes?
I try to exercise at least 4 days a week. It keeps me active. What about you?
Honestly, I don't exercise regularly. I just walk in the evening.
That's still good. Walking daily is very healthy.
True, but I want to add some workout in the morning. It's hard to wake up early.
Yes, waking up early is always a challenge. But once it becomes a habit, it feels easier.
Maybe I should follow your routine. You seem more disciplined.
Thank you. But I also struggle sometimes. Some mornings, I don't want to move at all.
That sounds like me every day.
Then we can motivate each other.
That's a good idea. Maybe we can set a goal together like walking or jogging for 20 minutes daily.
Yes, that would be fun. We can even share updates about our progress.
Perfect. Then from tomorrow, we start.
So tomorrow, what time do you usually go for a walk?
Around 7 in the evening, after office. What about you?
I usually go in the morning, but I can try evening too.
Evening is good. The weather is cooler, and it feels relaxing after a busy day.
That's true. Maybe I'll join you this weekend for an evening walk.
That would be great. After the walk, we can also grab a cup of tea.
Yes, I love tea in the evening. It's like part of my daily routine.
Same here. Without tea, the day feels incomplete.
Exactly. Do you drink tea more than once a day?
Yes, twice, once in the morning and once in the evening.
Same here. Sometimes I even drink it 3 times if I feel tired.
Careful, too much tea isn't good.
I know, but it keeps me energetic.
So, since you're free this weekend, why don't we plan something after our evening walk?
That sounds nice. What do you have in mind?
Maybe we could go to that cafe near the park. They have good snacks and tea.
Oh, yes, I've been there once. The atmosphere is really calm.
Exactly. It's the perfect place to relax after a long week.
Okay, then let's plan for Saturday evening.
Great. Around 6:30 p.m. after the walk.
Works for me. Should we also invite a few friends, or just the two of us?
Maybe just the two of us this time. We can enjoy a quiet conversation.
Okay, that sounds good.
And don't worry, I'll make sure we don't walk too much so you won't feel tired before tea.
Thank you. I'll bring some energy by then.
Deal. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.